How's it guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing. It would be on the iPad 6th generation. I bought the iPad 6th generation 32 gig. Reason being it's only 4,999 Rand. I was torn between the 5th generation and 6th generation, but for 1,000 Rand difference I'd rather go for the 6th generation because it can support Apple Pencil and later on Apple Crown. For my kids and for your kids. As you can see, if you buy it, you'll see it will say 6th generation. And don't go for the, I wouldn't suggest going for the LTE version, as you can just basically hook it onto any phone, any hotspots. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, I've got me knife here. It's the only knife I could find. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Hey, there we go. I love opening up new Apple products. Some of you may know I'm an Apple fan. I love Apple. Everything in my house is Apple. Take that off. Right, so we've got the box opened up. Nice and beautiful. It says 32 gigs. 6th generation. Let's open up. Alright. So I've got the iPad. Looks just like the 5th generation. Looks just like any other iPad. The good thing about this is if you have a 5th generation iPad or you have an iPad Air, you can use the cover or case. Yeah, so we've got the iPad, we've got lightning cable, got a box full of information as usual, more stickers in there that I'll probably not use, and then the USB power adapter, but it's only 10 watts, so it's not really the fast charging one. You can get another adapter for a bit more for the adapter for the fast charging, and that's it. That's basically it. It's in the box. Right, let's put it back. Sticker. Let's unwrap this. I love the smell of this. Oh yes. No scratches. So I chose the silver back with the white face. Apparently the iStore here in South Africa, the gold back only comes in 128 gigabytes, which is yeah, it's much more pricey and unnecessary. I've also bought a body glove that goes with it. I only use body glove, and the reason being is that all my other old iPads I've used this and it's always been reliable and never a problem. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, so the body glove was 499 Rand, and you get the magnetic seal here. Ooh, see-through glass at the back. Oh, this is a new design. Very rugged protection. Let's just get this casing out. As you can see, it's amazing. It's for 499 Rand. This is well worth it. An Apple case, you're looking at 1,000 Rand more or less for the front, so they call it the smart cover, and then the back cover you're looking at around about 1,300 Rand to 2,000 Rand. So basically you're spending around about, I would say, minimum 2,500 to 3,000 Rand for a proper Apple genuine cover, which is ridiculous. I mean, it's basically another iPad. So let's pop this iPad into the body glove. Okay. Okay, goes there. Popping it in. Ooh, look at that. Pops right in. Look at that. Wow. Maybe I should have started from the other side. But no worries. It is in. Perfectly fit. Buttons work. Closing perfect. Everything works fine. Yeah, looks good. All the holes are 100% cut out, as you can see here. You can see here, amazingly, these holes are all perfect, as you can see. And buttons for the sound are perfect. Yeah, this is amazing. A very good cover. And you can use this cover as you can do it like this to, what am I doing wrong? Am I doing something wrong? I must be doing something wrong. Do that. Watch movies. You can do this. Do type. So it's got strong guards all round. Yes, this is a very good cover, and it's a back see-through case cover as well. Apologies for me looking away from the camera. It's my first time doing a sit-down tech review, which means I'm not used to the lens in front of me. I'm more used to the looking at myself at the little screen on the side. But next time I'll do better. Thank you for watching. This is my first unboxing.